Let's take a look at managers and leaders. Frequently, leadership is given a very broad meaning and includes most everything that a manager does. But managers clearly do much more than engage in leadership. Actually, with a precise and constructed or constrained view on leadership, it may be well that leadership only happens occasionally. There's a distinction between management and leadership. Managers rely on their formal position and work with bureaucratic processes such as planning, budgeting, organizing, and controlling. Leaders rely on their personal abilities, work with visions, agendas, and coalition building, and mainly through non-coercive means affects people's feelings and thinking. Managers can be merely managers or can also be leaders. It's common for top managers to be described as leaders by their subordinates and others, while managers at lower levels are seldom viewed as worthy of that label. This is not so much a matter of personal attributes as of culture. The formal social position makes people interpret and relate to the position holder in a specific way. Cultural values and expectations determine and constrain the chances of people emerging as leaders. In practice, managers frequently, to some extent, rely on plans. They coordinate and control and use bureaucratic means, but they also try to create commitment or at least acceptance for plans, rules, goals, and instruction. Managers affect thinking and feeling in connection to managing specific tasks and goals, thus making leadership and management difficult to differentiate. Nevertheless, leadership is not productively used if it's supposed to cover everything that managers do. Understanding of these issues within various groups illustrates the distinctions between management and leadership.